Hey little kids, today I will learn you how to draw a grub. Here I am drawing grub's face and then I will draw its body. It's very easy to draw a grub. So let's see how I do this. I draw the cute grub and it's time to color it. You can color it as you like. Here I am coloring it as rainbow color. It's looking so beautiful. You should also try at home. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new video. Till then, tata bye bye little friends.